So today I'll show you how to easily upload music to Google Drive so you can always have access to it. Watch until the end and I will share a practical tip on how to manage your music files efficiently in the cloud. So let's get started. So first guys, go ahead and open the Google Drive app on your device and go to the Files tab just right there. Click on the plus icon right here and tap Upload. So from the files, find the music file that you want to probably upload. Simply click on it, choose the song, tap OK. And now click Upload, and this is pretty much it. Probably just wait a few seconds for the file to fully upload. If it doesn't show up immediately, just refresh the page. So now your music file is successfully uploaded to Google Drive and you can listen to it right from your cloud storage. Also, a quick tip, organize your music files into a separate folder by genre or album to make navigation and search easier. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That motivates me to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.